skip breakfast because you just don't have time to make it in the morning? I'm gonna help you with that. Today I'm showing you 3 simple and super delicious meal prep breakfast recipes that you can easily whip up in the morning or the night before. First up, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform a classic banana bread recipe into something totally unique and delicious for breakfast. Secondly, I'll be showing you how to meal prep your breakfast smoothies so that they'll only take you 2 minutes to whip up in the morning. And lastly, we're going savory and I'm going to show you how to make a super epic yet totally simple breakfast tostada. Let's just get right into it. So I'm just going to give you a really quick overview of how I make my favorite banana bread, which is already up on the channel that you can check out. So we're going to make our oat flour just by blitzing some oats up in a blender. We're going to add in some cinnamon, baking powder, soda, and salt, and some extra rolled oats. We're just going to whisk that all together until it's well combined. Then in another bowl, we'll add some bananas, and we're going to mash them up really well with a fork until they look something like this. Next, we're just going to add in a granulated sweetener. I'm using coconut sugar, plus some flax eggs, some tahini, or you can use any other nut or seed butter that you like. Then we're gonna add some vanilla and apple cider vinegar to help it rise a bit, get nice and fluffy. We're gonna mix that all together, and then we're just gonna add in our dry mix. Now just stir that all together until it is a very well incorporated batter. Make sure there's no lumps remaining. Then you're just going to need to line a loaf tin with parchment paper, or you can lightly oil it. Add in the batter. As you can see here, I forgot to add in the chocolate chips when I was originally making this recipe. You can add them in anytime if you want, or omit them. I'm not gonna show you how to make this crumb topping, but you can always check out my previous video on how to make it, and this is how it turns out. It's really nice and fluffy and moist, and it's got such a nice crumb to it. It's just so delicious. Ooh, that pull apart is just amazing. So let's turn this banana bread into the main recipe, which is a banana bread breakfast sandwich. You're gonna need some nut butter, some fresh fruit, and some hemp seeds and cinnamon. Now for this, I'm using fresh summer peach because that is the fruit that is currently in season for me, but you can use any fruit that you like. And then we're just going to generously spread on some peanut butter on both pieces of the banana bread, and then we're going to put some cinnamon on one side. This is so yummy. I just love cinnamon so much. And then we're gonna add some hemp seeds because they are packed full of protein and nutrition. And then we're just going to make the sandwich. As you see here, this is so yummy, you guys, and it's totally like customizable to the ingredients you have or that you like. So you can use any fresh fruit that you like. You can switch up the spices, the nut butter, and of course you can make your banana bread however you like. If you already have your own favorite banana bread recipe, then use it. This is just so delicious, and it's filling, it's satisfying, and it's really quick to whip up, and it's just perfect for meal prep. For the mornings where you just don't have time to make breakfast, these PB&J Smoothie Cubes will totally come in handy. They're so simple to make, and they just make for the fastest, most efficient breakfasts possible. So we're going to add some plant milk into a blender, plus some strawberries and blueberries. I'm using frozen, but you can use fresh and frozen, whatever you like. Then we're gonna add in some flax seeds and chia seeds, then some date paste. If you don't have date paste, you can just use 2 medjool dates. Blend that all up until it is a glorious purple hue, as you see here. Ooh, it's so fun to look at. And then we're just going to take that smoothie and we're going to pour it into an ice cube tray. Now try not to overfill like I did with a few of them here. No biggie if you do. Then you're just gonna freeze it. You need to let it freeze for at least 4 to 5 hours, but preferably overnight. Now you have smoothie cubes. These are so handy. Now let's make a smoothie. All you gotta do now is on the morning of, take about 5, 6, or 7 cubes, however much you think you want to drink that morning. Add some water or plant milk to blend it all up, and now you have your smoothie base. Super simple and easy. Now just add some peanut butter to a glass, pour in your smoothie, and you have a peanut butter and jam smoothie. This literally tastes like childhood. It is so good. Like I said, it took me 2 minutes to make this, so enjoy, make it your own, and yeah, let me know how you guys like it. We are going savory with these super simple black bean breakfast tostadas. Now, if you don't have store-bought tostadas, you can simply make your own by air frying or in a toaster oven, baking these for about 5 minutes until they are nice and golden and crispy. Now we're just going to add on some vegan cheese shreds, and we're going to air fry that for 2 minutes until they are nice and melted. Now we're going to add on some canned black beans. Super simple. I always have them in my house because they just make for quick, easy meals. Now we're just going to add some salsa on top for some extra flavor and spice, and then we're gonna top it off with some avocado. Healthy fat, it's creamy, it's delicious, always goes well with any sort of Mexican inspired meal. And then add on some greens. I'm using some arugula, but you can use any greens that you like, and that's it. This was a 5-minute meal, you guys, and it's something that the whole family will love, and it takes no time or effort at all. And I hope you enjoy. Let me know in a comment below which of these meal prep breakfast recipes you are going to try first. And if you're looking for more breakfast recipes, I've got them for you. Breakfast is like my favorite meal of the day. I've got a whole playlist for you that I've linked down below. And why not check out this recipe right here, which is another epic breakfast meal prep, or maybe this breakfast recipe right here. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, and now I leave you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.